Hi, this is Erin from Bridgeville and Southfield Township Libraries. Today on A Cup of Tea, we're going to look at butterfly pea flower tea. As the name suggests, it's made using dried flowers. And so it doesn't have any tea leaves, which means it's caffeine free. This will also be available as a take and make kit starting July 5th. So let's get started making our tea. So I have taken my tea bag and poured some boiling water over it. And as you can see, it's already starting to change color to that nice blue. I'm going to leave that for between 3 and 4 minutes and then come and check back and we can look at how to make it change colors. So I'll be back in a moment. Here I have my tea. You can see there's a really nice vibrant blue color here. Now to make my tea change color, I'm going to take just some lemon juice and kind of slowly add it in, and you can see the color change starting to occur here as it moves from that blue to a nice pink. And then as I slowly stir it, it goes into that beautiful purple. So what happened there was the lemon, which is an acid, actually changed the pH level of the tea, which caused it to change colors. And if you don't like the taste of your tea and you think it needs some sweetness, you can go ahead and add a little sugar. So thank you for tuning in and have a great day, everyone.